Welcome back to the channel Auto Cars Land. Today, we're shifting gears from four wheels to something even more massive, the 2025 double-decker train. This engineering marvel is all set to redefine passenger travel in India and beyond, combining power, comfort, and efficiency like never before. Let's take a closer look at what makes this futuristic train one of the most exciting developments in the world of rail transport. The 2025 double-decker train is a modern upgrade to the existing double-decker models seen across the Indian Railways network. Built with advanced materials and new generation technology, this train has been designed to accommodate more passengers while maintaining a high level of comfort and safety. As the demand for intercity and long-distance travel continues to rise, Indian Railways is pushing forward with innovations like this to enhance the overall travel experience. One of the most striking aspects of this train is, of course, its double-decker design. The two levels maximize seating capacity without increasing the length of the train, making it ideal for heavily populated routes. Each coach is built to house approximately 120 to 130 passengers, split between the upper and lower decks. With this design, a full-length train can carry thousands of passengers in a single journey, helping to reduce congestion and support the growing population. Comfort has not been sacrificed for capacity. The 2025 double-decker train features fully air-conditioned coaches with improved seating ergonomics, wider windows for panoramic views, and noise insulation for a quieter ride. The interiors are modern and thoughtfully designed, with amenities like LED lighting, charging ports, and digital display systems for real-time updates on speed, station arrivals, and route progress. Safety is also a top priority. The coaches are constructed using fire-retardant materials and include CCTV surveillance, smoke detectors, and advanced braking systems. The train is powered by high-efficiency locomotives that can achieve speeds of up to 160 km per hour, depending on the track conditions. These engines are not just powerful, but also environmentally friendly, thanks to a focus on energy-efficient technology and reduced carbon emissions. The 2025 model comes equipped with automatic doors, sensor-based lighting, and better vestibule areas for smooth movement between coaches. Toilets are upgraded to bio-vacuum types, similar to those in aircraft, which helps maintain cleanliness and hygiene during long trips. There's even onboard Wi-Fi in select routes, making it easier for travelers to stay connected while on the move. Another standout feature is its advanced suspension system, which reduces jerks and vibrations during travel, ensuring a smoother and more stable ride. This is particularly beneficial for passengers sitting on the upper deck, where movements can be felt more prominently in older models. The train also boasts improved shock absorbers and a more aerodynamic design to reduce air drag and improve overall fuel efficiency. The introduction of the 2025 double-decker train is part of the broader modernization plan by Indian Railways, aligning with the vision of high-speed and smart transportation. The train is expected to run on key routes like Mumbai-Pune, Delhi-Jaipur, and Chennai-Bangalore, where passenger demand is consistently high. These trains are intended to complement existing express services by offering faster, more comfortable alternatives without a significant price hike. Maintenance has also been made easier and more efficient. With predictive monitoring systems, railway staff can keep track of wear and tear and schedule preventive maintenance before breakdowns occur. This not only improves train reliability but also reduces delays and increases safety for passengers. From a design standpoint, the exterior of the 2025 double-decker train looks sleek and modern, with a vibrant color scheme and aerodynamic contours that make it stand out on the tracks. The train's branding, too, reflects India's progress in railway infrastructure and the push toward a more futuristic and eco-conscious transport system. While ticket prices for the double-decker trains remain accessible, passengers get to enjoy a more premium experience compared to traditional trains. This makes them an attractive option for both business and leisure travelers. Future variants may even include a dining coach or sleeper class versions, depending on demand and feedback from the initial rollouts. Overall, the 2025 double-decker train is not just a transportation upgrade, it's a bold step toward a smarter and more efficient future for rail travel in India. With greater capacity, better comfort, faster speeds, and eco-friendly features, this train is all set to make a lasting impression on commuters and railway enthusiasts alike. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Cars Land for more updates on the latest in automobiles, trains, and everything that moves. I'll see you in the next video.